Magte-take ka ba ng BSBA major in Human Resource Management? O kaya naman, BSBA student ka? Yes ang sagot mo, ang video na to ay para sa'yo. Pero bago ang lahat, my name is Mars Trinidad. Tara, aral tayo! Ano nga ba ang BSBA major in Human Resource Management? Of course, ang BSBA major in Human Resource Management is a 4-year program sa college. It is related sa hiring, training, and development ng isa sa mga mahalagang resources ng isang organization, which is the employees. It focuses on the employees at sa lahat ng aspeto kung paano mo patatakbuhin or ima-manage yung mga empleyado. Program na to, you will learn about how to organize, coordinate, and manage the organization's human capital in order for you to carry out the organization's vision, mission, and business objectives. In short, sa program na to, you will learn about recruitment, training, compensation, and development ng mga empleyado. Pati yung retaining and motivating the employees, lahat yan pasok dito sa human resource management. Ang goal ng human resource management is to create or build a company culture and carry out the mission of the companies as well as the goals through proper management of human resource. Ano ba yung mga topics na pwede mong pag-aralan dito sa human resource management? Siyempre, pag-aaralan nyo yung mga topics like number 1, recruitment and proper selection of the employees, compensations and benefit, employee relations, succession plan, employee engagement, training and development of the employee, and employees performance evaluation. At ayun na nga, and if you think na nakatulong sa'yo ang video na to, paki-like naman and